real reason to eat oatmeal every day. Big pharmacies won't be happy if I share with you the secret about oats. You won't imagine that oats, a popular breakfast dish all over the world, has amazing effects if we use it every day. Thanks to eating oats regularly, I haven't had to see a doctor for the past 5 years. All my body indicators have improved significantly. I was so surprised and happy about that today I had to make this video to share with you about the real reason to eat oatmeal every day. Hello Health Facts family. We have a total of 5 great benefits from oats. And the most amazing benefit of oats will be revealed at the end. Don't miss a second of this video. Okay, let's dive in. Number 1, the role of oatmeal in weight management. Here's an intriguing insight into oatmeal that might capture your attention. This wholesome breakfast option could be the ultimate game changer in your pursuit of weight management. Yes, oatmeal is more than just a comforting start to your day. It's a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy weight. Research published in the 2021 Foods Journal highlights the remarkable effects of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber found in oats. Beyond aiding digestion and heart health, beta-glucan has been proven to regulate blood sugar levels, reduce blood lipid concentrations, and even contribute to weight loss. Quite impressive for a single ingredient, isn't it? Oatmeal's high fiber content plays a key role in this process by promoting a prolonged feeling of fullness. By helping to curb unnecessary snacking and reducing overall calorie intake, oatmeal makes weight management more attainable. Additionally, beta-glucan works wonders by stimulating the production of peptide YY, a gut hormone responsible for signaling satiety to your brain. Essentially, oatmeal doesn't just fill you up, it encourages your body to stay full longer. This combination of nutritional benefits makes oatmeal a standout choice for anyone striving to shed a few pounds or maintain their ideal weight. It's not just a meal, it's a strategic tool for healthier living. So why not make a bowl of oatmeal your go-to breakfast and experience its transformative effects firsthand? Truly, it's a meal worth savoring. Number 2, protect your heart with oatmeal. If you're searching for a simple yet powerful way to boost your heart health, oatmeal is the perfect choice to start your day. This unassuming breakfast staple has earned its reputation as a champion of cardiovascular wellness. But how does it work its magic? The secret lies in its high fiber content, which plays a key role in reducing levels of harmful LDL cholesterol, the kind that clogs your arteries and raises your risk of heart disease. Oatmeal doesn't stop there. Its soluble fiber not only sweeps away cholesterol, but also stabilizes blood sugar levels, helping you avoid the energy crashes and sugar spikes that constrain your system. For those managing high blood pressure, oatmeal serves as a silent but effective ally, supporting lower blood pressure and easing the workload on your heart. Together, these benefits strike a powerful blow against cardiovascular disease, significantly reducing your risk of this common health issue. Moreover, research highlights that oatmeal's unique properties work synergistically to support overall heart health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of whole grains like oats may reduce inflammation and improve arterial function, providing long-term cardiovascular benefits. The best part? Enjoying these remarkable heart protective benefits is as simple as eating a warm, hearty bowl of oats each morning. Packed with nutrients and heart-friendly fiber, oatmeal is a delicious and satisfying way to take care of your body. So when deciding what to eat for breakfast, remember that a daily serving of oatmeal could be your most heart-smart choice yet. Number 3, your gut bacteria will appreciate it. Oatmeal is widely recognized as a nutritious breakfast option, known for keeping you satisfied, aiding digestion, and supporting heart health. However, its lesser-known benefit lies in its role as a prebiotic powerhouse. Acting as a nourishing food source for the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system, oatmeal plays a critical part in promoting a healthy gut microbiome. These microorganisms are essential for various bodily functions, from enhancing immunity and stabilizing mood to improving digestion and protecting against diseases. A thriving gut truly lays the foundation for overall health. Research further underscores oatmeal's gut-friendly attributes. A 2021 review published in the Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that consuming oats regularly boosts the population of helpful bacteria in the gut. By incorporating oatmeal into your daily meals, you're essentially offering these tiny allies the nutrients they need to flourish. This symbiotic relationship can lead to stronger digestion and a more balanced gut environment. When you sit down to a bowl of oatmeal, you're doing far more than satisfying your hunger. You're fostering a healthier internal ecosystem that benefits your body from the inside out. Make oatmeal a staple in your diet and let it work wonders for your gut health. Number 4, keeps your digestion on track. Oats truly never cease to amaze us with their health benefits. Among their many strengths, one standout feature is their rich content of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This unique fiber acts as a hero in your digestive system. When beta-glucan enters the gut, it transforms into a gel-like substance, serving as a kind of traffic controller that ensures everything flows smoothly through your digestive tract. This process helps maintain a steady and reliable digestive rhythm, making oats an excellent ally for those striving for regularity. But the benefits don't stop there. Oats also contribute to stool bulk, making bathroom visits easier and less stressful. They help eliminate the discomfort and strain often associated with irregular digestion. Want even better results? Combine oats with foods rich in insoluble fiber, such as unpeeled apples, crunchy nuts, or fresh blackberries. This powerful pairing not only enhances digestion, but also adds variety and texture to your meals, making it both enjoyable and effective. By adding oats to your daily diet, you're giving your gut the nourishment it needs to function at its best. Whether it's a hearty breakfast or a versatile addition to snacks, oats are a simple and delicious way to build a healthier, happier digestive system and a healthier you. Number 5, oatmeal keeps you feeling full for longer. Have you ever found yourself constantly reaching for snacks throughout the day because of that persistent hunger? The answer to this common problem could be as simple as incorporating oats into your diet. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, a key ingredient in managing hunger. But here's the fascinating part. Our bodies are unable to fully digest fiber. At first glance, this might seem counterproductive, but in reality, it's what makes oats so effective. The indigestibility of fiber slows down the digestion process, ensuring you feel full for much longer. This insight is supported by research from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which highlights the incredible ability of fiber-rich foods, like oats, to stabilize blood sugar levels. By avoiding sudden spikes and dips in blood sugar, oatmeal can help prevent the ravenous hunger that often leads to overeating. Nutritionist Maggie McCulsick further emphasizes that incorporating oatmeal into your meals can significantly extend the time between cravings, offering a practical solution to midday hunger pangs. Consider this. According to USDA data, a single cup of cooked oatmeal contains 4 grams of fiber, making up 16% of your recommended daily intake. That's a substantial contribution for such a simple meal. Next time you're tempted to grab a snack, remember that a hearty bowl of oatmeal in the morning can provide lasting satiety and help you manage your appetite throughout the day. Truly, oats are a game changer. And there you have it. We've dived deep into the world of oats, revealing its surprising superpowers. And now you know exactly what happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day. It's not just a breakfast item, but a heart protector, gut nurturer, digestive helper, and maybe even your weight loss companion. But hey, our journey into the world of health and wellness is far from over. We have plenty more intriguing food facts and health insights to share with you. To ensure you don't miss out on the exciting content we have in store, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. We want to hear from you. Are you a fan of oatmeal? How do you prefer to have your oats? And have you noticed any health improvements since incorporating oats into your daily diet? Drop your experiences, thoughts, and any oaty questions you might have in the comments below. We're excited to kickstart a conversation and learn from each other. Remember, every bowl of oatmeal gets you a step closer to a healthier, happier you. So let's embrace the power of oats together and make the most of our wellness journey. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.